Welcome, fellow painters, to the Succulent Series course. For those of you who may have taken our Petals and More course, where we did a lot of flowers and that sort of thing, this is kind of an advancing course based on that course. However, instead of making flowers, obviously we're making succulents. So in this course, we're going to deal with a lot of blending technique. If you need to work on, or you want to work on rather, your blending technique, that's what we're really going to be focusing in on. We're going to work on blending with both wet paint and with dry brush technique, and it's going to be great for those of you who are really looking to push your skills even further than what we did in that previous Flowers and Petals course. So of course we're going to have some really beginner-friendly classes in this course, but we're also going to include a couple of intermediate to experienced painting classes too. So that way you have those building blocks, those stepping stones to get you from the beginner level to that next level. So I hope you're ready. Let's get started painting.